In this video, I am going to show how to install Google Chrome web browser on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open Microsoft Edge web browser. In the address bar, write this web address. Okay. Then click on this download Chrome button. After successful download, go into the download folder. Open Google Chrome installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for downloading Google Chrome and installing it on your operating system. That's it. Google Chrome web browser installed successfully on Windows operating system. If you have an account on Google, sign in or select don't sign in option. If you want to set Google Chrome web browser as a default web browser on your system, select set as default, otherwise click on skip. You will be able to set the Google Chrome as a default browser of your computer in any time. I am going to set Google Chrome web browser as a default web browser in my machine. That's it. Google Chrome is the default browser of my Windows operating system. Now I am going to show you how to uninstall Google Chrome web browser from Windows operating system. At first, close the Google Chrome web browser and then open Control Panel. Then select View by category. Then click on Uninstall a program. Then select Google Chrome web browser. Click on the uninstall button. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Now check this box and click on uninstall button. That's it. Google Chrome web browser uninstalled successfully from Windows operating system. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.